Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada. In this video, I will take a look at some of the more recent items added to the container category in Avada Studio. Remember to keep checking Avada Studio for new content, as it's a great place for design inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. I'm here on the Avada Studio website and I've filtered to the containers category. Let's start with Farm Container 5689. The container with a background image loads first, and then a flurry of animation takes place. The text and the first text box at the bottom fade in, and then the farmer slides in from the right, and the two other text boxes fade in from the bottom. Let's just load that again. Yeah, that looks nice. The title has a highlight effect, and the button also has a rollover color effect. That's a very effective use of animation and content to create a dynamic and colorful container. Let's move on to the one below this, called Energy Container 5683. This is a large container with a background pattern, a couple of images, and some titles, checklists, and a text block element. What I particularly like about this one is the use of delay in the animation and the reveal with color animations on the images. If I just load it again, you can see how the various elements come in at different times and how the images start off as simple blocks of color. Okay, under this is a more corporate one called Business Container 5669. Again, this starts with some static content, and then the various elements animate in at different times. This one has a nice content balance with the two images and the third column of separator and titles. And remember, when you import Studio items, you can always choose between the Studio typography styles or your own local styles, as well as just importing placeholders and inverting the color style. And then you can customize them with your own text and images to quickly add well-designed content directly into your site. It's like having a designer on tap. Okay, let's go back and look at this one called Vacation Rental Container 4966. This loads with a background image before the two columns appear with the text and the form. But what works really well here is the use of slider images on the background container and the zoom animation applied to them. That looks really nice. Gardening Container 5541 is relatively simple and has a nice design balance. The animations are on the columns as a whole. There are nice effects on the buttons on rollover, and the right-hand column has slider images added to it with a slide-up animation. This one looks really good with the colors inverted as well. Okay, two more. Next up we have Hosting Container 5522. The container has a background color and an inverted pattern applied to it, with an empty white column as a design element at the bottom. And then the content comes in after a delay, with the left column using a reveal with color animation, while the image element in the right column has the same animation applied to it with a further delay. I could look at these all day, but let's finish with Business Container 5201. It loads with the container itself using a reveal with color animation exposing the container background image and the right side column. Then the top left column fades in from the top and the bottom column fades in from the bottom. There's a nice hover transition on the button, and the right side column has a mouse tracking motion effect on it, so the content moves around in opposition to the mouse movement. That's a simple yet very effective container that would be very easy to customize. Okay, that's some of the more recent Avada Studio containers on offer at Avada Studio. One of the things that lift these design examples above the ordinary is the subtle and clever use of animations that bring the content to life. Check out Avada Studio today and take advantage of our designers' skill for your own projects. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.